is what I wanted. Whole road to myself. Whole road. what is going on? This is Black Apino, the Apple guy, and today is the first day of VidCon. Got my pass right here. For those of you who don't know what VidCon is, it's essentially a giant YouTube convention, pretty much where everybody who does social media, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, YouNow, or whatever, there's pretty much a platform for it. And the venue takes place here in Anaheim, California, conveniently next to, well, Disneyland, Disney World. It's in the Anaheim Convention Center, and it's held every year from June 20th to the 23rd. So technically it really starts the 21st, but that's only the day of registration. And this is the first day, and so far it's been pretty cool. I have met a lot of, I haven't met, but I did attend a seminar. I got to actually see Justine, who I follow. She's an awesome content creator. She is pretty much one of the reasons why I am still doing YouTube, because I was actually thinking of, just stopping it. But I met her, and I met, it's called The Black Nerd. This guy's hella cool. He's a YouTuber also, big. He's also another reason why I continue to do YouTube, because I didn't really see a lot of black YouTube stars. And I don't want to make it sound like it's like, what it sounds like. It's just that with a platform that big, you'd assume, that there'd be a lot more, African Americans to do it. He's probably one of a few that I actually know of that does YouTube, and that's actually pretty cool. It actually gives me a reason to continue to do YouTube. But yeah, it's they have food trucks. It's a pretty big convention, I'm not gonna lie to you. There's 3 different types of passes that you can get. You get your community, which kind of gives you like the first level of the convention, where you just kind of walk around and whatnot. Then you attend star panels and things like that. Then you have another pass known as the Creators Pass, and that's for people who create content, that want to learn how to make it more accessible, bigger, kind of just get their name out there, which is what that is. That's a Creators Pass. And then you got your industry, which is kind of pretty much, unless you've already got a large name and you've already got stuff out there, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't be using that anytime soon. But you'd be surprised how much stuff you can learn in just a couple of hours. It's pretty cool. They meet a lot of people. I'm actually on my way to go meet up with a few people as it sits. It's one of those venues where if you're not sure if you want to do YouTube, and I would suggest not doing it. Because usually if you're not sure, it means you don't really want to do it. My advice would be, if you want to do YouTube, start a YouTube channel. Find content that appeals to you and to other people. Try to make yourself stand out amongst other people who are doing the same content. And you just kind of not be afraid to talk in front of a camera to yourself, because people are going to constantly look at you like you're crazy when you're talking in front of a camera or whatnot. And it's just understandable. Usually people, you get shy when you do that. I get shy when I do that. So, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's a pretty big venue. And I've got tons of videos so far and a few pictures, but I'll be doing a lot more content as the day rolls on. So, again, this is Black Apino, the Apple guy. Stay tuned for more content. Like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks. Have a good day.